Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change your Facebook URL easily. Just follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. So at the beginning, I need to go and open my browser, and then from here, I will go directly to Google, and then I will search for Facebook, and I'll open the first link over here for the Facebook. And then when I'm here at Facebook, I'll click on my icon up the right corner, and then I will choose settings and privacy, and I will click on settings once again. And when I'm directly here, I'll go click on the meta section, just click on it over here, and it'll be directed to a new page. And so from here, I'm going to choose my profile, one of these, which is going to be the first one. I click on it, and then here we have username, password, profile picture, and avatar. So I click on username over here, and from here I can change my username, which is going to be facebook.com/username, and this is my username. So whenever you click on facebook.com and you put this username over here, that's how you're going to change your Facebook URL. At the end, that was all today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.